Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadmin Shahid and I am a student of Rayan School and I am a Fundamental level student. Today my task is documentary and my topic is the journey of Curtine from Venetian ports to global health. So imagine a busy seaport over 600 years ago. Ships arrived from different lands carrying skills, spices, and precious goods, but they many also carry an invisible danger, deadly diseases. This is the fascination story of the world Cartine, a world that has protected millions of lives throughout history. The story began in the 14th century during the time of Black Death, of the deadliest uh, pandemics in human history. The disease spreads rapidly across Europe through trade routes and merchant ships. To stop the spread of illness, the Republic of Venice introduced a strict rule. Ships arriving from infected regions had to remain insulated before anyone could enter the city. At first, this insulated lasted 30 days. Now, in Italian as Trentino, later official, increased the period to 40 days, calling to Quarantino from the Italian word uh, quaranta, meaning of 40. Our time Quartino involved into English word quartine. Why actually for 40 days? Historian believe the number 40 had both practical and symbolic importance. Medical official noticed that infectious disease would reveal symptoms within this period. At the same time, the number 40 had religious significance in many traditions, symbolizing purification, testing, and renewal. Whether based on science, trading, or both of 40 days insulation provide to be an effective public health secure. As also trade and expanded, part-time become a standard practice into a show in sport around the world. Ship travels and even cargo we temporarily isolated to prevent outbreaks of disease such as the black fever. For the country's government inspection and medical checkpoints to protect their population. In 1921 century, the world experienced another major health series with the COVID-19 pandemic. Suddenly, the word quarantine became a part of everyday life. People stood home, isolated after travel or exposed, attended online classes, worked remotely, and learned how individual action could protect entire communities. Modern quarantine may last days instead of 40, depending on scientific advice uh, and the disease involved. Today, medical experts use search testing and technology to determine the safety isolation periods. The journey of quarantine is more than a story about language. It is a story of humanity learning for experience, adapt, and new challenges, and working together to stop the spread of diseases. From the bustling part of the medieval vans to hospital, airports, and homes around the world, and simple ideas have saved countless lives. The next time you hear the quarantine, remember that I carries our six countries of history, science, hope. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.